line and set the angle between them as 17 degrees. Now, select these two inclined lines and set the distance between them as 17 millimeters. Now select this endpoint and the origin point and set the distance between them as 4 millimeters. Now select this inclined line and set the length as 17 millimeters. Next, select this arc and set the arc radius as 13 millimeters. Next, select this inclined line and the center line and set the angle between them as 17 degrees. And now select these 2 points and set the distance between them as 3 millimeters. Select this inclined line and set the length as 13 millimeters. Now select these 2 inclined lines and set the distance between them as 13 millimeters. Next, select this arc and set the arc radius as 47 millimeters. Then select this arc and set the arc radius as 23 millimeters. Select these 2 horizontal lines and set the distance between them as 12 millimeters. And then select this arc and set the arc radius as 9 millimeters. Now select these points and set the distance between them as 110 millimeters. You can see, after applying all the dimensions and relations, the sketch becomes fully defined and all the entities turn black. Next, we will extrude it to add material. Go to the feature. Activate Extrude Boss tool. Select this region. Go here and select mid-plane here. Using the mid-plane option in SOLIDWORKS during extrusion creates symmetric features relative to the sketch plane or center line. Then set the extrusion depth as 4 millimeters. You can see the preview. Now click on the green tick mark to confirm the creation of extrude feature. Now again, we will extrude the remaining sketch region to add material. Go here, select sketch here. Then activate the Extrude Boss tool. And then go here and select these region. Ensure that mid-plane is selected here. Next, set the extrusion depth to 5 millimeters and ensure that Merge Result checkbox is selected here. You can see the preview. Now, click on the green tick mark to confirm the creation of extrude feature. Next, we will remove the material using Extrude Cut feature. Activate the Sketch tool. Select this face as the sketching plane. Now activate the straight slot here and draw it here like this. Then right-click and click on Select to exit the tool. Select this point and the origin point with Control key and set the horizontal relation between them. Next, activate the Smart Dimension tool. Select these 2 points and set the distance between them as 57 millimeters. Now, select this line and set the length as 67 millimeters. And then select this arc and set the arc radius as 4 millimeters. Now, go to the feature. Activate the Extrude Cut tool. Ensure that Blind is selected here and set the extrusion depth as 1 millimeter. Preview appears. Now click here to exit the tool. Next, we will mirror this feature. Activate the Mirror tool. Now go here and select Front Plane as Mirror Plane, and then select this feature to Mirror option and select Previously Created Cut Extrude Feature to Mirror. You can see the preview here. Now click here to exit the tool, and next, we will add some text. Select this face and activate the Sketch tool. Then, go here and activate Centerline tool and draw a center line here. Now activate the Smart Dimension tool. Select this line and the origin point, and set the distance between them as 3 millimeters. Now activate the text tool and select this center line as curve, and then go here and write CADArtifex. Select this here, uncheck this, and then click on font here, and set the font size as 5 millimeters. Now click on OK, and then click on the green tick mark. Exit the sketch from here. Next, we will wrap it. Go to the feature. Activate the wrap tool. Select emboss option here, and set the thickness as 0.5 millimeters. And now, select this face for wrap the sketch. You can see the preview. Click on the green tick mark to confirm the creation of wrap feature. Now we will apply the fillet. Activate the fillet tool. Go here and set the fillet radius as 0.5 millimeters. Ensure that Show Selection toolbar is selected here, and then go here and select this edge and rest the cursor here. A toolbar appear, and select this option to select all the connected edges, and then go here and select this edge, and select this option, and then go here and select this edge, and select this option, and Control 7 for isometric view. Next, we will apply the material. Go to the material, right-click, then click on Edit Material. SOLIDWORKS Material Library is open here. Open Steel Material. Scroll down and select Cast Carbon Steel. Click on Apply and close it. And that's it. You have now created a wrench in SOLIDWORKS. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.